Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I'll guide you through the hard reset process. So to get going, we'll need to power off the device. So let's hold power key and then choose power off. Now once you hear the vibration, it means that the phone just shut off. And now we will hold power and volume up together. So let's do that. Now keep holding it for this entire time till you see the recovery mode, or boot mode I shall say. Okay, and from here we will select wipe data and /factory reset. You can either tap on it or use volume keys to navigate. I like so, and confirm it with power button. But for me, I'm gonna just tap on it, it's easier. So tap on that, then you will need to type yes. So yes to confirm that we want to wipe before we can actually click on it. Okay, and verify required, so wipe data and factory reset. Now this will basically warn you that if you have an account set up for Google previously on the device, you will need to re-enter the credentials for that account after the reset is done, which you will actually see once it's finished, because I already have one in the device right now. So I'm gonna tap on wipe data /factory reset, and now it's gonna start basically removing all personal data. So give it a minute. And now once it's done, I'm gonna tap on reboot system now, and I'll be presented with the Android setup screen. Now the initial restart will take a little bit longer than normally, so just be patient. And once it's on, I'm actually gonna go through the process just to show you how it looks like when it will require you to put in the previous Google account. So okay, and as you can see, it's right now turning on. So I'll choose my language. Oops, not sure what that was. So I'm gonna choose my language, then tap get started, then region, next, accept terms of service. I'm gonna skip the SIM card for now. And now I will actually have to choose a network because of the previous account before I can actually proceed. So chose one, and now is the moment where I will actually need to log in. Draw a pattern to unlock. Now this is the previous pattern, which, as you can see, I can either use the pattern right here, which I'll just draw right now, or I can do the Google account right here, and then I'll put in the email address and the password that was used previously. I think it's gonna actually be easier just to draw the pattern. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, and now we can actually skip this because I already verified that it's the same account. Then here I can just set up which features I want to use, and then tap accept once I set it up as I like. And here I can log into HUAWEI to get like additional access to themes and other stuff. So I'm gonna skip that for now, and cloud storage, skip that. And here you can set up either the fingerprint, face unlock, or password, which I'm also gonna skip. If you're actually interested how to do it, there's a previous video on the setup itself, and I went through the setting up of fingerprint ID and pattern So if you're interested, you can go check that out. And just gonna tap on later, update manually, and as you can see, I'm right on the screen. So this is how you basically perform the hard reset, and I guess a quick setup as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.